All right, guys. So I have a video in the works for the Integra. As you can see, a lot of changes have been made. Whole front end's gone, and I'm not gonna go over that in this video, but I do have some extremely big plans for the front end, and I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. Maybe you, if you've seen it, if you know, you know. But there's a video in the works for that at a later date. I can't exactly state when that video is gonna be coming out, but I would say in the next at least 2 months or so, that video should be out. Sai and I are in the process of doing the tucked brake line kit on this car. And I have part 1 of the series done, but I don't exactly have all the proper fittings and stuff to complete the job to start the part 2 video. So I would prefer to have part 2 ready so I can upload part 1 and part 2 a week apart from each other to keep you guys updated with the whole build. I've come across some really old footage from when I picked this car up, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you guys stick around long enough to see what the car looked like when I picked it up in the current condition that it was in as opposed to what it's in now. And it has come a very long way, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, well, I figured I may as well keep some form of documentation other than pictures. I kind of want to start posting more stuff on YouTube. But it's the 95 Acura Integra. It is midnight purple. It's R33 midnight purple. This car has been sitting outside in California for a year and a half. Is how long it sat outside. It's all Type R right-hand drive converted. It's got the Type R Momo steering wheel, Type R center console. Can't see it very well. It's got the JDM front end on it as well. JDM HID Type R headlights. You can tell because the lines right here, they don't go through. Non-HID headlights have the lines go through right there. The bay has been painted. It doesn't look the hottest right now, but it's, like I said, it was sitting outside for over a year. No hood, no fenders, no bumpers, no headlights on it. So it was just sitting outside in the elements, getting beat on by the sun. Or this window was down when I went and picked it up, so the whole interior was just filthy, really dusty. The whole dash was filthy. Window was down. The dude saran wrapped it rather than trying to roll the window up. So he saran wrapped the whole door. Today, I'm probably just gonna vacuum it out. It's pretty messy inside still. A lot of crumbs and crap. A lot of hair, dog hair, cat hair, leftover saran wrap, quarters. And we do have a few other Type R goodies from my USDM Integra. Got the carbon fiber Type R wing, and we got the, obviously here, we've already got the front lip on here. That's OEM Integra Type R. Then we got the Integra Type R optionals for the side skirts and the rear valences. All right, so this is my 2000 Integra. It's the LS. I don't know, that's a piece of crap, man. Type R rear valences, Type R side skirts, and the Type R front lip. But this is my daily. I'm gonna be converting everything off of this car and putting it into the JDM Integra. This interior is going in there. Back seats are going in there. This climate control is going in there. That cluster is going in there. Door panels also going in that car. Then this whole swap is going in as well. It's a JDM B20B bottom end with the B16B Type R head. CX Racing turbo kit. I'm not entirely sure what the specs are on the kit. So if anyone takes the time to ask, I cannot answer your question. I do not know. It's making 8 PSI of boost right now. It's been street tuned, so I'm not entirely sure what the numbers are. Every time anyone asks me, I refuse to tell them what I think it's pushing because I have no idea, and I don't want to be that guy talking out my ass. So there's that. Like I said, everything off of that is going to be swapped over into that guy over there. And today I'm just going to go ahead and start vacuuming it out, cleaning it up a little bit more. Yesterday I cleaned up the dash. Like I said, it was really filthy from sitting out for so long. Figured I'd make somewhat of an update. Got the car here. Got my other Integra over here, the car that's going to be the donor car. Seeing as how all the suspension components are from a 92 to 95 Civic. This car previously had an Integra Type R5 lug on it. The guy parted it out. Anyway, long story short, we're going to be swapping everything from my previous daily, the 4-lug, back onto this right-hand drive Integra here. So pretty much everything here is going to be swapped over onto that car. It's going to take a couple of days, but got the VIN inspection done on the car yesterday, so now we're just going to go ahead and start swapping things over. Probably gonna start over here on the passenger side, and we're gonna start by taking off the 17 millimeter for the upper control arm. Then we're gonna go to the bottom, and I believe it's a 19 millimeter down there. So we're gonna pop that off so we can pop this spindle off. And then over here we got a 17 millimeter bolt as well on the outer tie rod, which I've already removed. Then we'll go ahead and move up top and dress these 14 millimeters and these 17 millimeters for the upper control arms, and then pop this strut out. And then we'll do the exact same thing over there on the driver's side. All right, we got the front knuckle and upper control arm and strut out. And then once you get to that point, this is pretty much where you're sitting. All you're gonna have is your subframe and your lower control arms. Yeah, this is where you're at. Nothing left on this side, so I'll go ahead and start on that other side now. I got everything out of this side. The knuckle, got the outer tie rod off. Again, I got to address these once I get the car over to the shop. And here it all sits right here. All the random hardware that they pulled out from the junkyard. All this old stuff right here, when I swap it, is gonna be transferred over to the other car. So that way that car can still at least maintain a rolling chassis and I can push it around, get it out of my way, whatever. Other than that, this is where we're at. And yeah, wish that wasn't there. But anyway, gonna jack up one side and then just go ahead and start transferring everything over. Kind of just go from there and keep pushing forward on it. Got the driver's side all buttoned up. Got everything up in there as it's supposed to be. Everything's tight, cotter pins in. Yeah, as far as all that goes, everything's in, everything looks real good. Got all those bolts tight. That's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that throwback video. It was October 1st of 2022. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what the car looked like as opposed to what it looks like today. If you follow the channel, you follow me, you know what the car looks like. And it has come a very long way in a very short amount of time. It's been just over a year. Today is December 16th of 2023. So I'm extremely grateful for that. I'm grateful for all of my friends, all of my family who have supported me through this, all of my friends who have helped me work on the car. I couldn't ask for things to be any different. I'm so very grateful for the way things have turned out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that.